Specs. 3.3L capacity is smaller and more compact, allowing for the cleaning of up to 300 cases of .223 brass at a time. 110 volts model. Dimensions. 12.75 L x 12.5 W by 9.5 D and weighs 7.5 pounds. Ease of use. Easy twist cap with a clear viewing window, simple on-off switch and smaller size makes this the perfect tumbler for your bench. Reliable. Features a leak-proof cap design with a rubber seal to ensure a mess-free clean. Convenient. Works great with Frankford Arsenal stainless steel media, 1,097,884, cleaning packs, 110040, and cleaning solution, 878,787, sold separately. The Frankford Arsenal Platinum Series 110 volts Rotary Tumbler Lite delivers a new level of brass cleaning performance. When combined with stainless steel cleaning pins, this rotary tumbler works much faster than ultrasonic or vibratory tumbling methods. Steel media pins easily penetrate inside cases and into primer pockets to deliver unbeatable cleaning power. This 3.3-liter tumbler is ideal for cleaning small batches of brass and easily fits on any reloading bench. Top reviews from the United States. The brass looks brand new. I use the machine to clean all my brass from 9 mm to 3006. Use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of Dawn and let it run for 1 hour. The downside is the water and steel pins. You need to buy the magnet to pick up all the pins. Drying of the brass is the time-consuming problem. Right now I spread the brass out on a towel and let it air dry. I live in a very dry environment. I will probably try drying in the oven at the lowest temperature possible. But the brass looks brand new. I would highly recommend this over any other system.